What's up guys, this is Unknown from GreedyTech, and in this video, we're going to do an unboxing of Boat Misfit T50 Lite trimmer. Now this trimmer is available for 799 rupees on its official website and Flipkart. Now there's a sale going on, so it's available for 749 rupees. It is available in black color. Now its official website also says 1-year warranty and easy returns, along with free shipping. So do check that out. Now let's get to the unboxing. Here's the box. There's a preview of the trimmer and it says Misfit by Boat. Towards the bottom it says 120 minutes. Up to 120 minutes cordless usage. On the side it has some more information. On the back there are some highlights. Up to 120 minutes of cordless usage, 40 length settings for endless styles. That's every 0.5 mm. It has grooming range of 0.5 to 20 mm. It charges fully in 1.5 hours. It has a sleek design for effortless grooming and comes with a travel-friendly lock. Now let's unbox this. First, here's the trimmer. Next, these are the guiding combs. Next, there is a small oil bottle. Next, there is micro USB charging cable. Finally, there is a small two-sided brush. Underneath this, there's another cover. It has some documentation, stickers, ad pamphlet, warranty card, user manual. Now let's come back to the trimmer. Let me remove it from the cover. Here's how it looks like. Now let's have a physical overview. On the top, there is the trimmer head. On the front, there is a settings dial, a power button, and it has branding. Underneath it, there is light indicator. On the back, you can see the back side of the settings dial, and towards the bottom, there is some more information. On the bottom, there is micro USB charging port. Now let's put this guiding comb, and this is how I put it here. It's easy to put it in and take it out. You can easily swap it with another one. You can pull this trimmer head and take it off to clean it. It has stainless steel blades, so you can easily clean the trimmer head with water. But dry it off before you use it, just like most trimmers. And it is easy to take it off and put it on. Now coming to charging, the light indicator slowly blinks when plugged in. You get 120 minutes of runtime within just 1.5 hours of charge. It has both cord and cordless usage, so you can plug it in and still use it. Now when we turn it on, we get a sound. It's not too loud and not too silent. It's normal. Here's a quick preview. Now for the review, let me use it for a bit and come back. Now I used this trimmer and overall experience has been pretty good. Now I used another trimmer for past few years, and compared to that, this one definitely felt much faster and smoother. And because of the design, it's pretty comfortable to hold and use it this way. It also has safety lock for safe traveling, as it can prevent accidental switching on. Now another advantage this trimmer has over other trimmers is micro USB charging port and faster charging speeds. If you go with any cheaper trimmer, you might have to charge it for a long time, just to use it for maybe 10 minutes or slightly more. But this one takes just 90 minutes for full charge and gives 120 minutes of runtime. And battery life is also pretty good. So it's going to be great even for people who use it occasionally, as you don't have to wait too long to charge it and use it. What's more, if it does run out of battery, you won't need to worry, as it gives you cord and cordless usage. So you never have to wait for it to charge at all. That's pretty great. So guys, if you're looking for a trimmer under 1000 rupees, with good battery life, fast charging, multiple length settings, and cord or cordless usage options, you can definitely consider this one. That's pretty much it for this video. What do you think about this trimmer? And will you buy it? Let us know in the comments below. I'm Unknown from GreedyTech. Meet you in the next one.